Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on December 30th. The Code of Justinian comes into effect 534. On December 30th, 534, the final version of the Code of Justinian officially became law in the Byzantine Empire. It was created under Emperor Justinian I to organize centuries of Roman laws into one clear system. The code removed confusion by simplifying old rules and combining them into a single collection. Judges and citizens could now better understand their rights and duties. This legal work later became the foundation of modern civil law in many countries. Gadsden Purchase finalized 1853. On December 30, 1853, the United States and Mexico completed an agreement known as the Gadsden Purchase. The U.S. paid Mexico $10 million for land that is now part of southern Arizona and New Mexico. The land was important for building a southern railroad route across the country. The deal also helped settle border problems left after the Mexican-American War. It played a key role in shaping today's U.S.-Mexico border. Iroquois Theater fire in Chicago 1903. On December 30, 1903, a tragic fire broke out at the Iroquois Theater in Chicago during a crowded daytime show. A spark from the stage lighting set fire to flammable scenery. The flames spread quickly, leaving many audience members trapped inside. Over 600 people were killed, making it one of the deadliest theater fires in U.S. history. The disaster shocked the nation and revealed serious safety flaws. Afterward, strict fire safety laws and building regulations were introduced across the country. Union of Soviet Socialist Republics USSR established 1922. On December 30, 1922, the Union of Soviet Socialist Republics, known as the USSR, was officially formed. It united several socialist republics, including Russia, Ukraine, Belarus, and the Transcaucasian region. This new country soon became the largest in the world by land area. The creation of the USSR followed the Russian Revolution and changed global politics. It later became a major world power during World War II and the Cold War. The USSR shaped international relations for much of the 20th century. Saddam Hussein executed 2006. On December 30, 2006, Saddam Hussein, the former president of Iraq, was executed after being found guilty of crimes against humanity. He had ruled Iraq for over 20 years after taking power in 1968. His leadership was marked by strict control, violence, and major wars. After the U.S.-led invasion of Iraq in 2003, he was captured and put on trial by Iraqi courts. His execution ended a long and controversial era in Iraq's history. The event drew worldwide attention and debate. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.